Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a Mazda CX-5 with the 2.5 liter Skyactiv technology motor in here. And so we are going to go over how you would change out your camshaft position sensor in case you're getting the code for the camshaft position sensor and you want to roll out that the sensor went so bad. You can start by replacing the sensor, and if the light, if your engine light keeps coming on and your camshaft position sensor keeps throwing that code, then that's when you're going to need to be looking into something more internal or deeper, being the timing is getting off and things like that. So on this vehicle, we popped the hood. We're able to remove this cover, and it's just held on by some rubber grommets. And then where we need to get is our camshaft position sensor is right down in here. And so I will try to move some of these wires out of the way so you can see it. And we just need a number 10 socket to get in there and to be able to undo it and undo the connector that's right over here. So I'm going to start by getting the connector undone. Right. Able to push the connector in at the front there, which unlocked the tab so that you can slide it out. Okay, so our sensor is right in there. Don't have to really remove all that, but trying to give a better view of what we're looking at, which is a sensor that's right in there. Turns out it is an 8mm, I think. Yeah. Okay, so we got the bolt out, and now should be able to remove the sensor. There we go. So we've got the sensor to be removed. So we just go in the reverse order to install our new sensor. So you'll take your sensor and be able to get it down in there, and to install it, put a little bit of lubricant, oil on the O-ring to have it slide in there a little bit better. Okay, we got it in. Now we got to get that bolt back on there. Alright, the bolt is tight in there now. Sensor has been installed. Make sure you reconnect your connector here. And then anything else that was removed to give you the access. Okay, so sensor's been replaced. That was our camshaft position sensor on a 2.5 Skyactiv engine. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.